Now student, we are going to solve question number 2, exercise 5.2. The question is, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, rainy, winter and summer. So first of all student, we will read this table. Here different type of seasons are there and number of votes. Summer season got vote 90, rainy season 120 and winter season 150. So some questions are asked here. For the first question is, which season got the most vote? So student, by this table we can say which season got the most vote. Yes, it is winter season. So its answer will be winter, and how many votes? 150. Find the central angle of each sector. Okay, this all we will make pie chart, and that pie chart we have to find the central angle of each sector: summer, rainy and winter. And last one is, draw a pie chart to show this information. So by making the pie chart table, our both answer will come out. So for that student, first of all we will make the the table. So student, it is the table of question number 2, in which these two columns are given in the question: season, different type of season, number of votes, then next column will be fraction. Always in any question you have to make third column fraction and fourth column central angle. So student, here we have recorded data: summer 90, rainy 120 and winter 150, and we have done its total also. The total is 130. Okay, 130 is total. Now student, we will convert the given data in the fraction form. So for that, what we will do, this summer season number of votes are 90, so this is 90, and the total of the number of votes, it is 360. So 90 upon 360. In this manner we have converted the given data in the fraction. So what is the fraction? It is 1/4, 1 by 4. Summer's fraction is 1 by 4. Okay, similarly in rainy also we will do. Rainy 120 votes are there, so we will convert this data in fraction form. So 120 and the total votes are 360. So 120 upon 360, 0 cut, by 12 table we can cut. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, so it will be 1 by 3. Now in winter season, total 150 votes are there, and in fraction form it will be 150 upon 360, where 360 the total votes are there, and bring it in simplest form. 0 cancel out, and by 3 table we cut. 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 5 by 12 fraction is there. Now student, we will convert this fraction in central angle. So for that, what we will do, we will multiply the fraction by 360. Okay, so here the fraction is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 360, we multiplied it, and for 4 table we cut it. 4 9s are 36, 0, 90 degree. Similarly in rainy also, 1/3 fraction is there. 1/3 into 360, by 3 table we cancel out. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0, 120 degree. And then winter, 5 by 12, 5 by 12 multiply by 360, so it is 12 table, 12 3s are 36, 0, and 30 into 5, it will be 150. So student, in this manner what we have done, we have converted our data in the degree angles. And one more thing that you can verify, after getting all the data in degree, you do its total. Its total always should come 360. So here you see 360 will come or not? Definitely the sum of all three will be 360. That means your calculation is correct. I hope you understood this.